During the Edo period in Japan, there was a renowned Zen master named Hakuin. One day, a young monk named Noboru approached him and said, "Master, I have been practicing diligently, but I cannot grasp the essence of Zen. Please show me the way." Master Hakuin looked at Noboru and replied, "Zen is not something that can be easily explained through words or concepts. It is a direct realization that transcends intellectual understanding. However, I will give you a koan, a question to contemplate, that may help you in your practice." He presented Noboru with the koan, "What is the sound of one hand clapping?" Perplexed by the question, Noboru embarked on a deep inquiry. Day and night, he pondered over the koan, trying to find an answer. He tried various approaches, contemplating the nature of sound, observing his own experiences, and seeking guidance from fellow monks. Months turned into years, and still, Noboru could not find a satisfactory answer. Frustrated and feeling defeated, he returned to Master Hakuin and said, "Master, I have contemplated the koan for a long time, but I cannot find the answer. I feel as if I am going in circles." Master Hakuin smiled and said, "Noboru, the answer you seek is not something that can be found through mere intellectual analysis. It requires a direct experience, a deep awakening to the nature of reality. Go back to your practice and continue to inquire earnestly." Noboru took Hakuin's words to heart and resumed his practice with renewed determination. He delved into seated meditation, letting go of all expectations and intellectual pursuits. He embraced each moment with mindfulness and wholehearted presence. One day, as Noboru sat in meditation, fully absorbed in the stillness, he experienced a profound realization. Suddenly, the distinction between himself and the sound vanished. The barrier between subject and object dissolved, and he heard the sound of one hand clapping within the vastness of his own being. Overjoyed, Noboru rushed to Master Hakuin and shared his awakening. With a gentle smile, Hakuin nodded and said, "Congratulations, Noboru. You have touched the essence of Zen. Remember, the sound of one hand clapping is not merely an intellectual puzzle to solve, but a gateway to direct experience and liberation." From that day forward, Noboru's understanding deepened, and he continued to walk the path of Zen with clarity and compassion, sharing his wisdom with all who sought guidance.